Zero waste. So, stop. What is it? What is it for? In fact, the zero waste movement has distant and old roots from at least the beginning of the last century, not much later than the Industrial Revolution. And he also had a huge number of very different names, changing their names and gaining more and more followers and principles from year to year. The names were different, but the principle is the same, to prevent the occurrence of a huge amount of waste. But actually, the biggest problem is not the garbage on the streets of Europe, but the huge dumps of household waste in the third world countries, pollution of the ocean with the plastic and so on. The occurrence itself was born in an absolutely fair way as opposed to emergence of society and the consumer market, which is understandable in itself. On this basis, the occurrence of zero waste flow could haven't been foreseen, because everything that you see on the screen right now is not normal. And what society needs now is to adapt a new concept on what to do with the garbage in 21st century, and also how to reduce consumption among the people and consequently reduce the amount of waste. By itself, zero waste is a set of principles aimed that prevents the occurrence of waste, which contributes to changing the life cycles of resources in order to reuse all the products. The goal is to prevent garbage from going to landfills, incinerators, or the ocean. Mountains of garbage scattered around containers, bulky garbage and food debris, a familiar picture to Greece. All a consequence of uncontrolled consumption, uncontrolled disposal of garbage, poorly developed processing industry, and the irresponsible attitude of people to the environment. This is where zero waste appears. Zero waste doesn't have a clear definition, and its followers identify 5 basic principles of zero waste. And this is refuse, this is reduce, reuse, recycle, rot. We will not touch on all the points, but we will nail the 3 main ones. The first point and the most important thing is to refuse to buy everything that is superfluous. This can be fully achieved by having everything at hand. Your own mug, your own package, and so on. The second rule is more like those who cannot completely abandon the consumption of some things, so he needs to reduce this consumption. The third rule, reuse. Sometimes it is not necessary to throw it away some old thing. You can just give it up to other people.